Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and this is your June 2019 Flavors of the Month kit. Flavors of the Month comes out every month, includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Along with the product, you're going to receive a sample of gourmet coffee, as well as 4 recipe cards for 4 double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections that are designed by the design team. It will include cutting and assembly instructions and a full-color photograph of the finished layout. So you can get scrapbooking right away with the inspiration from the design team, or of course go off on your own and use the products any way that you like. The Flavors of the Month is a great way to get new product coming into your studio each and every month. This month, the 4 collections include Bella Boulevard, Let's Go on an Adventure, Echo Park, Best Summer Ever, Jelly Bean Soup, Rainbow Roux, and Pink Paisley's Horizon by Paige Evans. You can see it's a beautiful, bright summer kit this month, including everything from your summer pool days to vacations to outings to florals and everyday documenting. You'll also want to be sure and check out the 3 add-on kits we have available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month. So there's a cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-on so that you can have a kit go even further. So let's take a closer look at each one of these collections. Our first collection from Bella Boulevard, Let's Go on an Adventure, is all about the outdoors. So whether you're going on vacation or just enjoying nature, this collection is going to be perfect to document those memories. You'll receive 2 sheets of Mediterranean cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Balloon Ride, which has all of the hot air balloons and the clouds and the sunshine. The back is a diagonal stripe in a rainbow color. This paper, that is the yellow diamonds. And the back is this beautiful floral. This one is called Morning Meadow. No Wi-Fi script is this beautiful script, Loving the Great Outdoors, Adventure. And the back are these clouds from the dark blue to the turquoise and a light blue. So I love the little kind of linen texture, triangles, and the stripes, just a really fun print on the clouds. So one more look at the pattern paper. Your embellishments are going to include a 1/5 a pack of the ephemera that are the word ephemeras, and then a 1/5 a pack of the icon ephemera. So you're going to have plenty to decorate with. Some of the fun phrases are "There's no app for this," "Blue skies," "Lovin' outdoors," and then I just love this little raccoon and his canoe. So that is a look at Let's Go on an Adventure by Bella Boulevard. Our next collection, Best Summer Ever from Echo Park, is this beautiful, bright, vibrant summer themed collection. Just check out these beautiful florals on this minty green background. The back is a pink and white stripe. This one's called Sunshine Floral. Then we have the fun script, beach, summer, adventure, summer vibes. And the back are the ice cream cones on the pink. This one is called Summer Words. Then we have popsicles. And the back is a thin green and white stripe. This one's called Sweet Treats. So this one's perfect for documenting summer, but also just an outing to get ice cream. That is your patterned paper. You'll also receive 2 sheets of white cardstock. The embellishments is the full 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So you have this striped border. We have some banners. Lots of really fun summer icons, from just the little kiddie pool, flamingos, our little unicorn floaty, florals, bathing suits, cooking out. So the possibilities are endless to document your summers. So that is Echo Park, Best Summer Ever. Next we have Rainbow Roux from Jelly Bean Soup. Their collections are always fun, uplifting, and just a positive message through all of them with their fun colors. So to start with, you'll get 2 sheets of Cascade cardstock. This first paper, called Pinch of Color, has the rainbow scalloped stripe with these fun little sayings across the paper. You can never have too much happy. Be happy. It drives people crazy. When it rains, look for the rainbows. So like I said, always upbeat and positive. The back is a two-toned yellow heart print. This one called Hint of Laughter, which is the pineapple with the fun little sunglasses. The back is a two-toned pink with a star print. Then we have Smidgen of Happiness, which are the mushrooms. And we have some hearts and the little polka dots. The back is a cloud print on the turquoise. So one more look at the patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get a half a sheet of the cut apart. So these have tags and then also some little strips. Or you can use the back, which is this pink grid design. You'll receive one sheet of washi. So these will vary. Love the little hedgehog. And a fifth a pack of the pea pods. So these will vary as well, but you'll get an assortment of icons as well as little phrases, labels, and tabs. So I have a little hot air balloon, the mushrooms, the florals, and some little dots. So that is a look at Rainbow Roux from Jelly Bean Soup. Our final collection from Pink Paisley is Horizon, designed by Paige Evans. Paige is known for her bright colors of the full rainbow and all of the fun prints. So you'll have 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper, number 11, which are the globes, which the different prints, and some sayings on some of them. Wonder with me, oh happy day, life is a journey. The back is a diagonal stripe. Paper number 3 is this fun kind of quilt block design. It's an array, but you'll also notice that there's different variations of the colors. So there's kind of like a hexagon here, or maybe it's an octagon. Yeah, it's an octagon. And then it creates another shape outside of here. So this would be fun to stitch. You could hand stitch or even on machine stitch on top of the lines. Or either do a digital die cut on the top of it and let all of those beautiful colors shine through. The back is this fun yellow flower. Paper number 20, which is another fun design with all of the different prints on here. Again, it kind of reminds me of a quilt. And the back is this fun typewritten script. You got this, the very best, making plans, full of heart, on the agenda. You'll also notice that all 3 have the full branding strips, so you can get another little touch of color and product on your projects. For the embellishments, you're going to receive half a sheet of the stickers, and so you'll receive this one or the other half of it in your kits. This one has some word labels, icons, words to use in your titles. So super cute, beautiful collection from Paige Evans. So that is Horizon by Pink Paisley. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog to join in on the fun challenges we have going all month long and to win some prizes. Check out what the design team and your fellow subscribers are creating with their kits. And be sure to check out the store for any other products you'd like to put in with your order for your kits. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.